Hi, and welcome to this video series. In this series, we'll continue learning the principles of programming using a more interactive tool than the C language. The tool I'm talking about is called Scratch. What is Scratch? It is a programming language and a platform that allows you to use the language. This video series is intended to expand your knowledge and understanding of programming. Because of this, it is recommended that you complete the first video series before starting this one. Now, back to the topic. What is so special about Scratch that we use it in this video series? Unlike such programming languages as C, Scratch is a visual language where instead of writing code, you build a program using coding blocks, as if building something with Lego. Here's what a program built in Scratch looks like. Because of its visual components, Scratch is more interactive and friendly than, for example, C. However, despite being more user-friendly than C, Scratch cannot do anything essentially different from C. As mentioned in the previous video series, the only thing computers do is data processing. Consequently, the only thing programming languages do is specifying how to process a certain piece of data. Some of you might ask, if Scratch is more user-friendly, why bother learning such languages as C at all? The answer is, text-based languages like C are general-purpose languages, meaning you can use them to create various types of programs, while the range of programs that you can make using Scratch is more limited. So, what can you make using Scratch? You can make things walk, talk, and respond to your actions. In other words, you can create interactive stories, also known as write games. And this is what we'll be doing in this video series. In the next video, we'll briefly overview the Scratch programming environment and create a simple program. See you then. Bye.